Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally this afternoon my GoPro 8 package arrived here in my place. So thank you to Jess for receiving this package. So basically this one, I swapped my GoPro 3 Plus to GoPro 8. Then I was able to get a discount of $100. So the original price for this one is around $399 for just a normal package of the GoPro 8. But if you're gonna swap your old DJI cameras or any other cameras, you're gonna get a discount of $100. I'm gonna provide the link below on where you're gonna get the information on how you're gonna swap your old cameras to DJI to get that $100 off for the DJI Hero 8. So let's open this box and see what do they have inside. Let's see what's inside this box. So they have this normal set package of GoPro. I'm just gonna open this. It's nice packaging from GoPro Hero 8 Black. So as I mentioned, I just got it for $299 because I got this $100 off for swapping my GoPro Hero 3 Plus. So open this. There is an arrow here in the blue at the bottom, so let's just stir it off. You will see, so at the top you will see the body itself. So this is a GoPro Hero 8 Plus. You just need to pull it up and then slide it so you can get the camera itself. So it comes with a mount already, and then this screw to lock the camera on the mount. And from the box, we'll see what's inside. So first, we got this charging cable. So it's a regular Type-C, so it works for, I think, the recent Samsung phones. So you got all your Type-C chargers, so you can charge any cables using the Type-C. You also have this one, so you can put it on your, I usually put it on my helmet, so it's gonna be good. I already have one on my helmet, so this will be as my reserve, just in case I need to change my helmet for my motorcycle. And you get this battery in here. So this is a different battery from the other GoPro. So what I noticed is I used to have my GoPro 3 Plus, so it has a different battery, and also my GoPro Session, so it's also a different battery. I think it's a strategy for GoPro that you cannot reuse other batteries from different models of the GoPro Hero. Yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, there's just the manual here. You got stickers, 2 stickers of GoPro, and then yeah, this is the manual. So as usual, I never read manuals, so just gonna learn it by checking this camera. What are the functions? Let's check inside the camera. So you need to flip this one here to open the side. Yep. And then check on this one. So there's no memory card, that's the thing. So if you're gonna do the swap of the camera with any other camera with the Hero 8, you won't be getting any memory card. So I think it's still pretty good price, still a pretty good deal. Even though without an SD card, I still have my old SD card from my previous camera, because they won't be asking you to send the battery. The memory card of your old camera is just the body of the camera you need to send to DJI for the replacement of Hero 8. So basically these are the only items included in the box. So you have the body itself, the body of the camera. You have this mounting gear. You have the Type-C charger and your battery. So that's it. So next time, guys, hopefully I'll be able to share you my honest review for this GoPro Hero 8 Black. So this is not yet a paid advertisement from GoPro, so I'm not yet there. So definitely all the reviews you're gonna get it from here are all honest, and that makes all in my opinion. So we're gonna power it on. We'll see it's fully functional, definitely. So let's unscrew this one. Take this out, huh? The good thing about this is you already have this clip, so you can mount where you can mount your camera on this one here, and it's foldable. It's good. And just open this clip here to access the compartment of the battery, and this is where you're gonna put your battery, and the memory card is here. Let's insert the battery. Hopefully there's an initial charge for this one. Yep, there you go. You need to remove the sticker here because you won't be able to see the screen. So let's take it out. Okay, let's try to power it on. You need to press it on the side. Yep, it's on now. There you can see me. It's GoPro initializing. So you're gonna put set on English, and then just some legal stuff, just agree, GPS on, GoPro up, go back, it's fine. So I need to install the GoPro app. So basically that's it, guys. So this one, it's working. I can power it on. So probably next time, yeah, I'll show you some of the features here for the Hero 8. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So we already unboxed the GoPro Hero 8, and then I'm gonna put the link below on how you can get that $100 off. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye for now. Cheers.